Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Edwin Pineda. I am a home business dad and welcome to my blog edwinpineda.net. And today in our show, I will share to you two things that you could implement so you could sponsor even even if you are new to your network marketing business. Okay? So, dahil bago ka pa lang, wala ka pang skills, wala ka pang proper trainings, and wala ka pang results. And in this video training, I will share to you two things that you could implement as soon as possible para makapag-sponsor ka agad. Okay? So, sponsoring is one part of your business, and in, let's say, it depends on your company kung ilan yung different ways how to you could earn income. And sponsoring is one way of earning from your network marketing business. Okay? So, I will share to you two skills that you need to learn para makapag-sponsor ka pa lang kahit bago ka pa lang sa network marketing business. So, let's begin. Number one, you should work with your team. Okay? Don't go alone. Work with your team. Make people available in your team. It is very important. Know their name. No? Salamuha ka sa Tagalog. Makipag-meet ka. No? Alamin mo yung names, contact numbers, alamin mo yung mga hobbies din nila, no? So, kailangan mo yon. Okay? So, why? Very important pagka makipag-meet ka na sa prospects mo. Okay? So, in our industry, we don't work alone, we work as a team. Tandaan nyo, no? So, wag nyo sarilinin. Okay? Kung kailangan yung tulong, humingi kayo ng tulong sa team mo, sa coach mo, o let's say sa upline mo. Okay? So, always ask help, especially new ka pa lang. Okay? So, ano pa yung dapat mong tandaan? During the let's say merong business presentation or one-on-one business presentation, you will kailangan kasama mo na yung yung member of your team, your coach. Okay? So, yung importance on? This is number 2. Your coach give you a third person credibility. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, iba siya, binabalidate niya yung sinasabi mo. So, nagkakaroon ng credibility. Tumataas yung credibility mo. Kailangan yun. So, mas credible yung sinasabi mo, may nagbabalidate, mas maganda, mas focus. Okay? Mas naniniwala yung prospect mo. Okay? Very important yun. And number 2, isipin mo, no, before you go out and prospect or do a one-on-one business presentation, if you prepare that, check mo rin yung during the 'di ba, before ini-interview muna natin yung prospect natin if they are really, kung sila ba talaga para dun sa business natin or not. Now, kung sa tingin mo sila during the interview, makikita mo yung yung mga hobbies nila, okay? Ano yung mga likes nila, and dahil alam mo yon, you can work with your coach or a person in your team na with the same hobbies and likes. Why? Kasi mas mataas ang credibility, and also mas tumataas yung report is very important kasi kung nakita niya na they have the same hobbies, pareho sila ng likes, mas mataas yung chances na let's say mag-sign in siya sa network marketing business mo. Okay? So, yun lang yung share ko ngayon, and I hope may natutunan kayo. So, ulitin ko lang, number 1, work with your team. Okay? Alamin mo yung makipagsalamuha ka sa team mo. Okay? And number 2, during the business presentation, kung kaya mong mag-aya ng coach mo or ng team mo sa any member of your team with the same hobbies or likes, mas maganda. Okay? It gives you third person credibility, and at the same time, it builds reports to your prospects or clients. So, once again, thank you for viewing my video blog, and also subscribe kayo sa newsletter ka. Meron akong newsletter dyan about World Course, and I'm sure makakatulong sa inyo yun. in growing your home business. Once again, my name is Edwin Pineda, and thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.